Alright, I just wanted to do one more video on this song, trying to do just a little bit easier way to play it. If you check out my video on my electric guitar, I'm doing a lot of thumb over the top, which makes it a little bit tougher for a lot of players. So thought I would do this video. So you're going to basically just start with your middle finger here on the low E string, 8th fret. And then way down here, your ring finger is going to hop onto the B string, 8th fret, and then pinky, 9th fret of G. And you're going to pluck with your thumb, and then you're going to pluck your thumb on the low E, and then your middle and ring finger are going to pluck the G and the B string simultaneously. All right? Then you're going to slide down here. Middle finger is going to set down on the 7th fret of the low E. Now ring finger comes up to the D string, 7th fret, pinky, G string, 7th fret. And then you're going to pluck with your thumb, index, and middle finger this time. So your index will get the D string, middle finger will get the G. All right, so we've got one more. All right. Then you're going to again pluck with index and middle on D and G. Simultaneously pluck those and slide up to the 9th fret. So you're going from 7 to 9. So you got one more. All right. Now this is the toughest part. It looks like this. I think it's the toughest part, just getting that slide right. So you get down to 5th fret, middle finger, 5th fret of low E, ring finger, 5th fret of D, pinky, 5th fret of G. And you're going to pluck all three again and slide to 7 and back down to 5. All right. Takes some practice to get that one. And right after you do that, you're going to pluck the low string and then the high double stop of that chord. Low, high, just like that. All right. Now your pinky's going to come off. Index is going to come down here to 4th fret of the G. All right. And you're going to again pluck the entire chord while hammering with your pinky on that 5th fret of the G. So a hammer pull off with your pinky. So you got right. Following that, we've got a little arpeggiation which starts on the low E, goes to the D, goes to the G, back to the low E, and then back to the D. One more time. One more. So you got all right. And now coming through again, everything's pretty much the same. Except we're going to end on that G chord. So one more time. So that G chord, middle finger 3rd fret of low E, index finger sits back here on the 2nd fret of the G, and the voicing is the low E string with your thumb, index finger gets the D, middle finger gets the G, ring finger gets the B. Pluck it simultaneous. So all right, so that's the riff from that song. I hope this was helpful for you. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.